Alright, so we're gonna unbox and test out this all-in-one stick vacuum cleaner for multi-purpose, from floor to carpet to everything. Plus it has LED light. It's a quick, handy vacuum to vacuum stuff right away. So we're gonna unbox and show you how it looks, and we're gonna put it to the test. Let's see how it looks in the box. And it tells you right here it could go different size, from small, medium, and a full size. So that's pretty cool. Could even get the kids to vacuum starting early. So right here we got the instruction, and we got everything right here in plastic. So let me get everything out. So this is how it looks. The color is beautiful. It's a really nice vacuum. My daughter is gonna love this. So we have the dust area right here. I'm gonna capture all the dust right there. This is the head part of the vacuum. Nice wide mouth space to pull up stuff. Look like it's a 360 going on. This is the battery. So we're gonna put literally everything together fast. Everything is just like snapping. You just like snap everything in. Simple stuff. So we start off with the main base area here. So we got like the plug right there, has the plug in there. So basically just snap this in. You hear that click right there. And this extends. So look at this. So it could go longer, or you could make it shorter, especially if you want to vacuum like ceiling or anything like that. So that's pretty neat. And then same thing over here. I'm just gonna snap it in. Look at that. That was like 2 seconds, man. And then the battery. So this part right here comes in that groove. Everything you hear a little click. And then we have all the attachment. We have a wide mouth. And you see this part right here. This is good for like pet hair, cat hair, dog hair, and stuff like that. This is really good. And we got a filter for here, the vacuum in the back right here. We're going to open it up, and I'm going to show you guys. We're going to tell you, come with a charger, comes with a cleaner, and look, everything here is clip in. So we got the brush over here. We got the brush, or oh look, this is awesome. So it's just a one piece, and you press this. You could use this part, or you could put this and you use the brush part, which is good for the car. You got car, you got boat, you got an RV trailer. And this right here, it comes with 2 screws and 2 of the anchors, so you could anchor it up. So you could anchor this on the wall and hang the vacuum up, because this thing is very light. It's not a heavy vacuum. So we got a messy area here, and we're gonna push the power button. Oh, we got a green LED light there, so let's see. Oh, baby. As I said, my daughter would love this vacuum. Nice, small little vacuum. So remember, this is the tile floor we're doing right now. And you can see this picking up all the stuff already in there. And this thing, look, you could do this thing with like 2 fingers. It's so nice and easy. Don't ask why my place is so messy. It's because all the animals. And then it's fall time here. So we're gonna check the rug. Oh, baby, love it. Look at that. Clean. See that? That is nice. And we're gonna also test it out and make it different length to show you guys, but clean, baby. And especially if you want to vacuum in the night. And then look at the head part, how it turns. It turns anywhere easily. So if you're going underneath the chair, you could go like sideways, or you can move around like that. So my dog like, what is this new vacuum? It's making the place too clean. I don't like it too clean. He's not happy with it. So we're gonna use the handheld part, this area right here, to get some corner paste. So what we're gonna do is just press this down, and you remove that, and then you just snap that in. So we could use the brush or no brush. So we're gonna make it shorter. So we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna come here and remove this part. Hey, you. And we're gonna come over here and tap that in right there. So we got a nice little hand vacuum. You know what? We're gonna put on our brush. So we're gonna do the corner over here. I'm gonna push a button right here, and we just go like that. As you can see, every single thing. When you have a lot of dogs, they track in a lot of dirt, and a lot of kids, they track in every single thing. So this comes in handy. Like, this will work, as I said, perfect in my pickup truck, in the car. It's good suction, I'm gonna tell you. Really nice suction, man. Look at the suction. Look, ready? Here we go. Fast. Getting every single thing. Love it. No complaint, baby. To empty this up, you just push this down and it just open up and you tap that in. And this is your air filter over here. So they send one extra, which is a bonus. All right, so come all the way up here. We have a bunch of cobwebs, which we could have never reached. So this vacuum, let's see if we can reach it. Got our power button. We're gonna get those webs. Maybe I should put on the brush and suck it in here. Oh yeah, baby. No more spider cobwebs in the corner, baby. And then what we're gonna do is push the brush up so we get everything up. So I just want to show you guys how it stand up right here, and it has two wheels on the bottom right here, and we're filling up very fast. The other thing I'm gonna tell you is that it has different speed right here. So this is the power button, right? And then if we press this, we got faster, and then one more, faster turbo. So it's like 3 different level of speed. And it also tells you the battery percentage right here. This thing is the ultimate vacuum. All right, so I'm gonna show you how it looks right here. This is the small length, and easy as I said, we remove it over here. We could just add this piece right here, and we just add it. Everything is very easy and fast. It's all snap, and now we're longer full length, and this here, as I said, could reach ceiling and stuff, and it's very easy to use so far. Still pretty good. It's lightweight. It has 3 different turbo of speed. You have 3 different size that you could go from vacuum to handheld. It's not a wet vacuum. It's just a dry vacuum. You could go on the rug. You could go on carpet. You could go on tile floor. You could vacuum your car, your boat, your trailer, your couch. Good for pet hair and stuff like that. So it's a multi-purpose. It's a lot of stuff this vacuum could do. The price is not expensive. It's an affordable price. This is a 230 volt and it runs for 55 minutes quick charge. So 55 minutes you could vacuum nonstop. If you put on the turbo, it's gonna die faster, maybe 30 minutes with the turbo. So if you run it regular, 55 minutes, which is not bad. And you could always screw on that piece on the wall, so you could always just like stand it up and charge. You could hang it up and charge. And it's a very skinny, slim vacuum, so you can fit anywhere. All right, so coming up for the holidays, Christmas time, if you don't know what to give your loved ones and you want to give them something that could benefit you, it's a vacuum cleaner right here. And I gotta tell you, so far it works good. Love it, no complaint. All right, so check in the description box for price and details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming honest review only here on Product Zone.